Have you ever played a game that just feels right? Everything is smooth, easy to understand, and fun. That's the magic of great UX and UI design in games. You might wonder, what is UX in game? UX stands for user experience. It's all about how the game feels to play, how easily players can move, interact, and enjoy the world. A good UX makes players feel smart, powerful, and connected without even thinking about it. What about UI? UI stands for user interface. It's the menus, buttons, icons, maps, everything the player sees and clicks. Great UI makes sure players know exactly what to do and where to go without getting frustrated. Why this matters? When UX and UI are done well, players stay immersed in the game. They don't get lost, they don't feel stuck, and they keep coming back for more. But when UX or UI is confusing, it pulls players out of the experience, and they might quit altogether. Some games are masters at this. Hollow Knight uses minimal UI so you can stay immersed in its world. Fortnite's fast menus and instant feedback keep the action moving. Persona 5's stylish UI makes even simple menus feel exciting. In a nutshell, the best UX and UI are invisible. Players don't think about them, they just feel good playing. If you want to learn more about creating games players love, hit like, smash subscribe, and join me here at Pixel UX. I'll see you in the next video.